Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video at the world of crypto. In today's video, I have a new formatted video where I'm going to be taking a look at multiple different ecosystems that are going to be releasing their own airdrops. This is where I'm going to be providing my updates on these airdrops and just putting my analysis on what is happening in the back end. So with that thought, let's get straight into the video as I have multiple different projects that I want to cover. First off, we have Orbiter Finance. Now, I know all you guys probably hate this because of how they are farming on us farmers. This is a decentralized cross rollup layer 2 bridge, but recently, just today, they basically announced that they're going to be focusing on a token launch this year. Now, this is in appreciation of our devoted community. We are thrilled to confirm the launch of our native token this year. We'll gradually unveil the tokenomics and the distribution plan, ensuring a fair process. Now, the O Points program will play a crucial role in shaping our airdrop rules. So they have 100% officially confirmed about their airdrops based off the O Point basic promotional plan that they have with this farming method within Orbiter Finance. This is where they rack up points based off the fees that you accumulate with their bridge. Now, if the more points you have, obviously the better distribution you'll get. But in this case, they have been prolonging this farming method for way too long. This point system was kind of stretching it, and now it looks like they're probably going to release at the end of this year. But it's good to see that they have finally officially released their airdrop plan, which is showcasing that it will be released this year 100%. Now, this is a small project, obviously, but this is a project called LFG, and they basically gave an airdrop to Ethereum users who spent over 4K in gas fees. Now, this is possibly a new promotion method to have Ethereum users go transition over to the Solana ecosystem. But this whole promotional plan that they had for this airdrop has passed, but they also have a new one that recently just released today. This is where if you have a Saga NFT, you can claim 1 million LFG, which is approximately $20. Now, this is easy to claim on the Solana ecosystem as it doesn't take that much gas fees to claim something like this. So if you do have this, definitely claim it. I got some great news for TIA stakers because you might be eligible for Hypernetwork's airdrop. Now, Hypernetwork is a scaling ZK gaming project, and they're basically working on dropping their new native token. This is where they basically just stated around yesterday or 2 days ago that we're announcing something special for TIA stakers on their Telegram. So definitely stay tuned with this. I'll definitely keep on posting about this on my Twitter as well as on the YouTube page. This could be a potential big airdrop for TIA stakers, so keep this in mind and stay tuned. Another update for Cesltia stakers within the Milky Way protocol. People do not know this is a modular liquid staking protocol, and if you haven't watched my video on this, I definitely recommend you do so because this could be a potential 5-figure airdrop. Now, they have a new update where you can basically hit 2 birds with 1 stone, and this is an airdrop strategy by Mingo Airdrop, and he basically stated that if you stake TIA on Milky Way, you must have MilkTia in your wallet. Here is how you can use them to farm potential airdrops. They basically have made this airdrop strategy because of Demex's partnership with MilkTia. This is where you can lend MilkTia to earn SWETH, and this is another incentive, but they basically stated that you first buy SWTH for fees, and once you have swapped $2 of Osmos for this amount, you can then deposit onto the DEM exchange. And you basically follow this strategy where you lend your MilkTia to this protocol, and this way you could be eligible for a larger portion of this MilkTia airdrop. So this is something that you should definitely keep in mind. If you're interested in doing this, you should do so. But if you are kind of lazy like me, I'm just going to be simply staking on multiple wallets and just rake up more MilkTia for the new airdrop that they're going to have. Now, another update for the Cesltia ecosystem is Bera. This is a project where they basically just launched their testnet. It could be useful to start doing testnet activities as this could basically be a criteria for their airdrop. Now, a great way to do so is by following along with the Galaxy Quest. So this is fairly easy to do so. You can earn Galaxy points as well, which could be a way for you to be eligible for Galaxy's airdrop. But you can see over here that it's quite easy to do these tasks. You just simply have to do a couple of interactions on the testnet and you will be able to complete these tasks, which could be a great factor, or not a great factor, but it could be a factor to be eligible for their potential airdrop. This is the project that has a lot of funding, around like 200 or 20 million. I forgot what it was, but it's a large number, and it just goes to show that this is a project that many people have been viewing for a long time. And now that their testnet is open, it's a great way for you to get in early and start using their protocol early. I have some big news on Linea, which is a layer 2, and many of us have been farming this for a long time. But this, what they have tweeted today, might solidify their claims for a potential airdrop. This is where they basically stated that you will be able to mint Linea XP. This is something that was a part of the Linea Voyage quest, where you earn XP based off your interactions on the mainnet through different types of quests. This is a way where you can now mint LXP, and this is where D5 Voyagers can basically claim this LXP so that you can possibly be eligible for their airdrop possibly this year or even next year. Most likely this year, don't worry. They confirmed it in an AMA that they could potentially launch some sort of token in Q3. But lastly, if you haven't done any sort of quest on the Chroma network, I definitely recommend you do so. I made a video on this, and it's quite time sensitive as you only have a couple of days left to do these tasks. So definitely recommend you get started with this, because this could potentially pay out pretty big. And that's basically it for today's video on all the airdrops, as well as all the updates on these airdrops. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video format. I will definitely provide more videos like this if you guys are interested in it. I'll leave all the links as to whatever I used in today's video in the description below. Make sure you guys follow us on Twitter if you guys haven't already, and subscribe, turn notification bell, like this video, and check out our previous videos, because there is a lot of content so far that will definitely make you a lot of money. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.